Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I built this analytic dashboard in Shopify React Router app. So as you can see, we on the dashboard homepage, we have the total sale numbers and it is telling us the sale is growing up or going down. Then we have total orders in last 12 months, and then we have total customers, how many customers we have in last 12 months, average order value, and the graph chart over the month, like how much we earned in December, how much we earned in November, and how much we earned in October, and so on. And then we have customer type section, how many inactive customers and how many new customer and how many returning customers. And below that we have top products. As you can see, we have this product, and this is active, and how many units we sold and how much revenue we earned from these products. And on the right side we have recent orders, and you can see we have the customer name, the date which the order was placed, and the status of the order, and the total amount the order was placed, and the order status filled, fulfilled, unfulfilled, and whatever the order status will be. And similarly we have products route. In the products route we have all the products. We get the 5 latest products, and you can see their data about the products. And similarly we have orders data, the last 5 orders which we have here. And how I have done that, let me show you. And if I go to the code, and let me close out all the windows, and first of all I created this app_index.tss file, and over here I have imported some components. As you can see, we have the dashboard front end function, and over here we have orders and top products, and we get that from use loader data. And in the loader we get the orders and the top products from get orders and get top products request, and these functions are coming from the get top products and get orders from the orders, sources and orders, and from the products. So if you go to the sources folder, and you can see this is the products, and these are coming from here is a GraphQL query. We authenticate our query from the Shopify.server, and this is the GraphQL query which get the top product 5 products and return these products, and we do the calculation and return those products. Similarly we have orders. We get the orders from this query get order function, and we pass the request day and limit, and by default days are 30, and limit is 10. And you can see we make the GraphQL query, and in the GraphQL query we fetch the orders and all its data, and then we return this data whenever this function run get orders. And similarly we have not done the customer yet. So as you can see in the app._index, so we have not done the customer yet. So I can say to, can you please pull the latest customer into the customer route, and add that route into the navigation in app.tsx. So as you can see we have app.tsx where the navigation is working. So I'm telling this cursor, and it run this command, and let's see how it is working. Meanwhile, we can go back to the app underscore index.tsx, and you can see we have the stat result, which I KPI stats, and as you can see, this is coming from the mock data. Right now we have a data folder over here, and here is some mock data which is we are showing at the top over here, and you can get the actual data from making the GraphQL query. So if I go back here and go to the app.index.tsx again, and over here we have the customer chart and the top products and the orders table. And now this has done the customer part. And if I go back to my app, now you can see we have customers, and if I click on this, you will see let me log in that, go to the app home again, and then I go to the customer again, and you can see the latest customer. So we have only one latest customer. Let me tell to the customer, can you fetch the 10 latest customer and display them like the products or like the orders in a table. So now it is fetching the 10 customers, and it will changing it is making the changes into the app.customer.tsx. Meanwhile, we can see this is the file, it is running, and now it has done the changes, and if we keep the changes will reflected. So if I go back again over here, and now you can see we have 10 customers over here, and when they joined. So let me add one more thing. Can you please also add the order of the customers and the amount of the orders? So now I send the request to add the orders, how many orders a customer placed and how much the amount of the orders. So it is making the changes into the code, and now you can see it is making the changes. It has the new state, and it is showing where it is making the changes, and 69 plus 69 added and minus 7. So if you keep, it will keep the new result. If you undo, it will revert it back the changes. So I will keep that. And now if I go back to over here, and you can see this customer has one order, this customer has one order, this customer has two orders, and the formatting is little disturbed. So let me tell him, can you please style the view button more efficiently? So now it is going to style the button. So we have to wait a couple of minutes, and it will make the changes accordingly. So okay, now it has made the changes, and so let's keep these changes and go back over here, and now you can see we have this button. Okay, now let me go back here. Can you please make the container little bigger so I can see the whole data? Also, please keep the styling like the native Shopify styles. So let's see how it makes the changes in our app. So this is very simple app you can build uh, with cursor. You can give the commands and it is automatically make the changes into your app, and you can build that app in few minutes. So keep these changes, and now if I go back over here, and now you can see the container is a little bigger, and we have the view button and latest customers and similarly the orders. Okay, in the orders and the products we have full width. So let's say that keep the container full width. Can you please keep the container full width? So now it is going to make the container full width of the customers. So meanwhile you can see over here, and once it is done you can see the changes. Now you can see the changes are applied automatically, and it is doing everything automatically. You don't have to write any code, and just keep these changes. And if you would like to add another page, for example, you would like to add discount or setting page. So let me add a new page. Can you add a new page for the settings where customer, where store owner can add the settings of this app, like what will be the default date, like 12 months, 7 days, or 30 days, and how many customer we can fetch, how many products we can fetch, and how many customer orders we can fetch. Please put the default values there as well, and keep the style like sidebar side with this sidebar like native Shopify setting pages do. So now we need to add another page for the setting, and let's see how it is going to be. Now as you can see, it created the new route app.setting in the route folder, app.settings. It is going to create a new route over here, app.setting. Then it will add this into the navigation, app.customer into navigation, and you can see this new page is created, app.settings, and now it is making the changes in our app. And now yes, keep all settings. And if I go back here in my app, and if I load on this, and you can see now we have a new page of the settings. And if I click on this, you can see app configuration, last 30 days, how many customer we can fetch, how many products we can fetch, and how many orders, and save this. And you can see we have the save button. If you would like to change the button text, you can simply go here and change that directly. If you like, save this one, save that. And this is how you can make your Shopify app very quickly by using cursor. So I hope this tutorial makes sense to you. Please like and share, subscribe to my channel as well. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.